Thank you, thank you, thank you. As you join, you share, please share extensively. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I'll be very brief today. Mommy and Papa, them, any man where they join, make you just share very urgently so that we get everybody on board. Thank you so much. Would already be a quarter of 1,000 at this time. So once you join, you just share so that we get everybody where you want to watch this show, make you watch the show. I will just go very, straightforward for try to get everybody where if you want to follow this show at this time.
Well, hold on, which lights?
So we thank all my watch. Say make we continue to share extensively, and in the next few minutes, the breaker box is upstairs.
It's upstairs?
Yeah, she's going to show you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So as you join, make you share. Thank you so much. Once we have 1,000, I'm going to kick off. All right. How are you? Where's Mario? He's coming?
Yes.
He's coming here? Okay. All right. Go upstairs. That will help you. You can take your phone along. All right. So once you join, you make sure you share. Thank you so much. I will start this show in 1 minute. No music, nothing. We'll just go straight to the point. Mommy and Papa, them fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, as you may be aware, we don't get a lot of debate about this school issue and an issue where we get for Trasham. And specifically, why I choose for reply only Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba about this school issue now, because now only one don't write sense. We write sense we not get conspiracy. The rest of the people them, they don't show say they be less human beings, they be just base all their ideology and say they must do conspiracy. I talk the likes of Akwanga, Bo Herbert, and so on and so forth. But oh, thank you. The lights are back.
Yes,
thank you.
man.
It was a second. Did you show them how to do it?
It was just she left out, but it was just a couple breakers in the breaker box, man.
All right, thank you, bro.
All right, boss, man. You have a good day, man.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'll be sorry. Say I leave when I just 1 minute. I will put on my lights for get more visibility. So, you know, as I been talk, when I got a share, we almost there 1,000. So, anyone will join, make a share. The issue about school resumption now a debate. I think say not be an issue for conspiracy. Now, think way any man when a Southern Cameroonian he get for expand a intellectual understanding of the situation, and we get to accept where the rules don't change, so that all we must agree say each person get opinion. Even way to where Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba talk now an opinion, not be a strategy, and all man get to understand say there will never be strategies without opinions, and I will explain very, very clearly. At this moment, I want to state it categorically clear. I will come for the CDC issue where all we as a people we don't already understand how strategic of doing a news from CDC as well, and which is coming from the development of Matric Chuboya. More investigations. Now, make I talk them very clearly, Mommy and Papa, fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, and people where they need to listen, where they carefully listen, we'll get them very clearly. We'll start this war with teachers and students for 2016. Just give me a minute. I'll be a little bit, I'll make sure say everything be okay. Perfect. So, Like I talk, we now get for reply for any person will be emotional, will reply for people that be very calm in their analysis about the issue for school. And I want to talk today and what you are like about this Eric Tator. And I say each time we start postulate another policy inside the revolution, people they ever fight. Some people, but they ever can agree at the end of the popular move. You know, that true say revolution not be a walk in the park, and revolution not be for lily-livered people. It not be for fainted-hearted people. It be for people who get courage. And one of the most courageous things for doing now for talk about this school resumption. Now, an issue where the topic be very as crucial as the definition for our independence. And make I talk them very clearly. Mommy and Papa, fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, quote me anywhere. I want to see where you watch, anywhere you watch, type which side you watch, and then give me your opinion, what you think about school resumption for our picking them, and then make sure you share the show extensively. Now, I will bring us to a simple thing. I don't read what Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba talk. He talk says school not going to resume because of this, of that, and so on and so forth. And he claims say people didn't wake up overnight on the eve of independence. If it means, if the definition of if means a day before, but this school thing will not start talking like a day before. I don't start talking like almost 4 or 5 days ago, and then it don't gain a lot of momentum. And the only reason why I see most of them they oppose now because Eric Tator don't talk. When Mark Barata before talk, no man will be opposer. They believe him, but as now Eric Tator, they always get a way they won't fight the truth when I talk. I don't reason. And men will talk very clearly for this revolution. One person they will, the compromise is communication expertise, and that person is Eric Tator. When I come, can't talk for the Ambazonian on public opinion and the aspiration. Me no say war. War be based on opinion. When America won't go war, na Congress vote. Type of go war, na opinion for collaborators and the tell us go for war. And we will listen very carefully. I will champion this course and I will explain why. When Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba writes say they need to give opinion for war, but a strategy. It made me look and say I understand a lot of we would always talk things that will not know the meaning. What is the difference between an opinion, a strategy, and a policy? Without one, opinion is there like oxygen. Opinion, therefore, the formation of a strategy and a policy as oxygen, therefore, human being. Without an opinion or without opinions, there are no formation of strategies. There are no formation of policies. All governments, all wars, all liberation movements, they build their strategies based on popular opinion. Get it very clearly for me. Opinions. I am talking here as a communicator par excellence. Without opinions, the world will not function. The world functions absolutely on opinions. Get it for me. I'll give you a good example. You, Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba, where you there for Norway, you were there for America, and you were there for Germany, you were there for any part of the world for developed countries, everything for Amazonia, for Nigeria. Something they hold this thing where you see these people, these so-called leaders, they're confused now because they don't study communication. War, the strongest part for war is communication. And the strongest part for communication are feedback. When you look at the communication cycle it starts with the sender. It passes through a channel. Then it comes for the receiver. Then the receiver gives back a feedback. So now 4 people there for that chain for communication, four steps. So when you look at what Dr. Cho talk, with due respect, I feel that Dr. Cho needs a lot of education when it comes to what he talk about building a strategy. Move get that very clearly. You there Europe, you there Germany, you there America, you there anywhere where you there. I'll give you one example. When you call your bank, might take a simple bank, the Bank of America, or you call Credit One, you call Capital One, you call Zenith Bank, any bank where you call them, or you call any your credit card company, your car loan company, you call your insurance, anything we call them for the world, even medical services like your hospital. At the end of everything, what did it happen? You will get where they talk say some different person where they different from the person where attend to you, it reach out to you, or probably automated systems, then they reach out to you for survey your experience. What to be your experience? Because they want them to give a feedback for which way you don't get them, how you don't treat you, so that from there, what to be your experience? They survey your experience. Your experience now your opinion on how you think say that person will be treat you. Even for airplanes, they get back to you. Ethiopian Airlines will get back to you and say, how was your trip? They ask their opinion about your trip. Because they count on your opinion or your feedback, they come and say rating. Thank you so much. So people don't use the most appropriate words. Every apps that they give rating, Facebook, Microsoft, everybody the way they are rating, every hotels, you rate the hotels so that you get the feedback for build better strategy and policies for that business. And I think that this is where Dr. Cho Lucas failed. Dr. Cho Lucas say, war not get opinion. Everything in the world is classified based on opinion. And even Google, they put their name on. And who are those giving opinion? Those are customers. And a customer, every phase of life, you get customer. You get for strategy. I talk for you. Listen, I talk for you on a professional base. And I stand for use my professionalism in this particular aspect for salvage the Amazonian revolution. Get them very careful, get them very plainly. I didn't miss my word when I discuss issues where be strategic about the survivor for the revolution. I didn't talk based on insensitivity, emotion, or because I want boast power. No, I talk based on the facts, the way they matter. Now, let me get it clearly to you. If I be customer for Bank of America, or I be Toyota Motors, a customer, or you be Ford, a customer, or you be customer for Hilton Hotel, or you be customer for whatsoever, or Credit One, or you be customer for Lincoln Navigator, or customer for Acura, wait till you as an Amazonian leader, where you claim to lead diaspora, who be your own customer for the war, your customer are people for ground zero, refugees, prisoners, now your customer that. And you must listen to your customers for being able to create a situation, a strategy where you keep them to believe in your cause. And so once they talk, you need to go back and listen to their feedback. You have failed. And I feel say most of these diaspora, whether or not una take them, me every time I turn 100%, una the fail for listening for the their feedback. And of course, not be everything we got to take them. But you got to, if someone tell you, if some customer tell you 20 things, for example, I go Walmart, I get problem with Walmart, or I go Aldi, or any of these shops, I talk okay. Entrance get for be so. I feel say me they put camera so. I feel say me eating be so. Now my opinion that company go she don't look at, they will try to look one for even satisfy me. So that next time I will see go for this and say change is on be. So for a case for diaspora, man make a money know one thing. Me Eric Tato. The reason why we Dr. Chofika talk say, oh no school no resume because this is a revolution. Independence means independence. And Dr. Cho said not forget right for talk about school resumption because it be one of the people the way post a graduation picture. We graduate. So if you graduate, claims you get a master or your doctorate degree, me or that point not graduate with due respect. The worst man we not ever talk where I see I think called Dr. Kwangwa saying a buffoon. Because he go tweet say Eric Tato na agent provocateur wait because until he claim say I go fake Sisiki tweet because I want to make a misco resume. Oh no, I watch me. Now be the first activist or the first ambassador where they always can debunk Sisiki fake tweet. Even today, people don't contact me from different media organs say, is this tweet from Sisiki Ayoktabe? I say no, I screenshot in original tweets and for them. So you look why I talk say Dr. Cho better pass the guys them. Although in perspective for school, listen, my turn one thing, if I accept or not, Dr. Cho Lucas Yabade 1 billion% wrong for can't talk for 2020 say Miss school not go ahead. I know I even talk about what Sako they talk because Sako already changed his stance. It don't woke up before yesterday we say, oh, until Swiss decide. Today now Sako they say and Security Council go create a buffer zone. I'll come for that buffer zone issue. And my turn on one thing. We have a position where, please, if you join, you share. Me, all my joining me share extensively. Thank you so much. Just keep sharing. So I will talk about customer service for the revolution. You must get feedback from the parents. Now, why the way, listen, Eric Tato not talk say school must open. No. I talk say me school open for pleasant way parents if you access the security for that picking them. Then you didn't know where you did America. You can't talk say no, there's insecurity. You don't ask that parent if they get insecurity or not, because listen, my turn on one thing. This saves you guys right. We not even get SACO, not even get for talk about school resumption. Because my take I'm very clearly. SACO not get to talk about school resumption. You know why? Because it chopped 1.4 million. If SACO not be thief money from a trip to Boya, by now, for this time, government for don't can negotiate because plenty guns are going for down. And who tell you say you can't talk say school will not resume now for mouth? Well, we talked 2 years ago say no school resumption will be shut down the schools all man with the same. How you can't talk say me school not resume? But when school don't actually resume by 60%. I'll give you examples. Go to JHS Limbe school, they go on. GBHS Limbe school, they go on. Go any other place, GBHS Tico school, they go on. All the major schools for Bamenda schools, they go on. All boarding schools, the schools, they go on. Now, outside schools, they go on. Now, for the hinterlands, all that beginning for Akaninku, all that beginning for Dishe, for Mushe, beginning for Ambele, those are for Alo, those are for Wabani, beginning for Kendem, those interior, Bicheku, Ayukaba, Bicheku, and Ayukaba, my 17. Beginning for inside those bushes for Sanagarati, in Sanakan, those are for Abonando, for Ansa Akwaya. Now, them need to go to school. But you at the top, you make noise say, which curriculum you study. You don't go pay school fees for your picking for Douala or for Yaoundé. Me go school, which is not is your right. Like some person actually fight against the Republic, you cry curriculum, but you take your picking, may go learn not be only the curriculum, it go learn plus the culture, plus the language where you change it. They want that mean a best picking way, power not get privilege. Where see and say security if it be. If you put picking for some school, one did I say me no. Now when you teach you picking for Douala, not be French teachers. Now which school they go, which uniform they wear, they carry now which book, they wear which flag, they sing which anthem. So time is for rational thinking. So not tell me say all man with it and Ambazonia. I like because when I talk something, if people ever say you get wrong until you can't understand how they talk. Me be very clear and not explain for all man. This one an independence movement. And when you fight independence, you be liberator. You not be oppressor. And the first thing for the liberator now to listen to the people the way you want to liberate them. I'll give you a very clear example. Between 2016 and late and early 2019, parents they be unanimously, she dumped them for house. They deny, say they need to go to school, they need to think whether security or insecurity. They will get solidarity with the cause. They will sympathize with the Ambazonian revolution, say they will stay house. At that time, between 2016 and early 2019, the Cameroon military, it be the first picking them for go school. It be the push picking they say you must go school. They go cash parents the way they need them that picking them go school. Go lock them, true or false. It means that time will be the win. Now, up from late 2019 to this 2021 day, they picking the fish say the fish go school now. And so if you go do survey on the ground, you ask the picking, they say, what do you want? Do you want independence? 99.99% of Ambazonian children and parents, they will say, yes, we want independence. You ask them, say, do you want ghost towns on Monday? 99.99% of that people, they will say, yes, I want ghost town on Monday. But when it comes to school, they will tell you, okay, they want to go to school. Those picking them, if you talk, say, me, they picking and not go to school, you two get ready for sacrifice your own things. So at the end of the day, all man, they drive towards a direction for mortgage those speaking there, but no money think about the fact say we too get for mortgage something. Take for example, we don't call protest tomorrow, October 1st for foreign Russian embassy. Go start for 10 a.m. You look the number of people there, they will come to protest. But all the day America, none of them not be able for call up their jobs for come for protest. None of them not be able to make a contribution towards the protest. All man where a day as a liberator, he must fight towards the picking that stands. Man, make me know one thing. You know one thing? When I get a conviction on what is right for the people I want to liberate, I go out there and I say it with all my power. I don't care about which way you think. I hear some people, they say, oh, Cameroon government don't bribe Eric and so on and so forth. Now why are they talk so? So they only bribe me now. I feel they don't already buy me since. So they bribe me now. Why I want to talk about school resumption? Might talk one thing. Me know. If you like, if you read comments, you see and say 99 most people they want school me resume. Most people okay, we'll just go follow this. No man not be blocked on the platform. We'll see who they write school resumption, right? SR, no school resumption, right? NSR. We'll write them. We'll see how many people write non-school resumption for it. We'll see them. And me all will know one thing. Why are they even push me school they go? And me go, now put that for your mind. Say, no be Cameroon government. They ask me school they go. Put that for your mind. No be Cameroon government, they ask me school they go. No be me and you for diaspora, I will never be able to go for protest. No be we will ask me school they go. Will they ask say, me parents and the teachers and the guardians and proprietors and the students, me they decide whether me school go or not. And when school they go on, not be you who can't talk on Facebook say me school shut down. When gun passes some place, school will automatically shut down. Me all we will get them very clearly. So Cameroon government tomorrow no can't talk say now he ask me school resume. We go tell international community now we will authorize school resumption. Any man who right put the 1 year to school, don't write yes to school. You are the right no school resumption. You see and say school majority of the people they want me school resume. Majority of the people. If you look from the comments, and this is how we evaluate people. So not be debate where we come for can't give some man name say because they are the preschool resumption, may say La Republique. La Republique buy me for how much? They don't buy me for how much for go protest from Russian embassy. They don't buy me for how much for the right, the number of people they kill them. Where the Republic they kill them. So me no man no can talk here because he won't talk. Because most of the people they write here which is no school now, most of them, now even La Republique. Put the right say the and so on. Either La Republique or don't take that picking they enjoy. Mami where they village, he get the right for decide whether I picking get for go school or not. So not tell me something where you can't tell me say, oh, school not be there, or quote all these example. 21st century. If you can't quote example, unfortunately, you can't quote example for revolutions the way they be the fight, schools not be go on and so forth. Why you need quote example for cases the way people they embezzle money, they lock them. Una own year una the thief money for revolution chop. Una pay for them, they can't defend them. They can't defend them. We say $1.4 million or rest for my trip to boy. Where you want to talk, you get which authority for can't talk about picking that school and don't take $1.4 million chop them. Why would you see fight it today? Not because they chop money where they contribute them for my trip to boy. You get which audacity for can't talk. Pigs are not for the everything opinion about school. Akwanga graduate, put a picture, put a big cake. He became cake from here to Ohio, from Maryland to Ohio. When you graduate, you begin for school. You post your picking for social media. When you graduate, then you come for Facebook and talk say, "Me school not resume on the switch." Come Akwanga the first fight for second. So we all forget that particular, feeling about what picking them. Because tomorrow, Cameroon can talk say. Now you don't leave school go, but now we get for leave school go. We get for talk say yes, me school go on. Why you deny me school not go on? I might talk one thing. How many strategies we get them? We write them down. We get strategy for stop CDC. We get strategy for stop petrol station. We get strategy for Monday goes down. We get strategy for impromptu lockdown. We get strategy for attack Joe office. We get strategy for stop Pamo. We get strategy for stop timber. We get strategy for stop oil creeks and way food on so the claim say they ask 5 million for Ndian and the rest. We get strategy for stop Sonera. We get strategy for stop Francophone them for schools. We get strategy for stop courts. All of those things we need do not one, but we go for go punish now picking them. How are you a liberator if you need to listen to the aspiration of your people? Safety first. Yes, safety first, and that's what I preached. So we leave picking them, we the separatism will come out, we'll talk, okay, let them go to school where there's safety. Like I've written, that's what I've said. So that if tomorrow something happens where school is shut down, gone, then they go on, no man for international community no can accuse any separatist say, oh, this one, and so, not the way we do this. You get the point? This one, and so. Somebody guys say, man, no, you are wrong. I accept with you in your opinion. But you know it claims that big one way 90% of the people they think me school go on. All my followers when I get divided opinion about this issue, which is normal. Look you at the right no school. Look the number put the right school, you're gonna say there's something. Yes to school. Yes to school. Everybody's writing yes to school. So we gotta be strategic in our decision. No way, no day way, all we. If we talk say for this 21st century all day. You know why I'm picking the go school? Because the thing say, oh no, Eric Tato don't preach school, so struggle don't end. Wusa you keep, why you need to attack petrol station? Why you need to attack CDC? You feel say, I will play audio on our airway, Sako is spokesman, it say me CDC, me school close, but me CDC go on. Who preaches that? That's what I'm asking. Who preaches that? My talk I'm very clear. My name is Eric Tato. And I don't stand today for talk say. We go get areas then where they get security. Make students they go school, make picking they go school. There where they woke up, they hear gunshots, they go stop for go school. So it will be their responsibility for secure those picking them Amazonian fighters, make the picking they go school. So that if we hear any gunshot anywhere, we'll know in the Republic don't go attack those schools. Not talk say, oh, they will kill that picking them. Why it concern you about the picking they will kill and where you not be their parents? That's the question I'm asking you. Why? Why you never talk about picking they will kill them when you not be their parents? That parents they may evaluate those parents that you survey experience. Wait till the parents they want them. Wait till the picking they want them. You go see them say any man who stand for school write yes to school resumption. Me always see. So we get for instead to preach the thing where it go bring we favor for international community. Not be otherwise. Not be otherwise. Let's imagine one thing. I feel beat my chest 1,000,000%. I did 2,000,000,000% right with this strategy. Any other man they can't say me school not resume after 4 years. The person be wrong. And you see the one guy just say, oh, we don't get school resumption without buffer zones. Because while the UN supervised buffer zone, yesterday Sakobi say he want a Swiss must can't decide whether school will go on or not. Today don't just say, oh, we want the UN can't do a UN supervised buffer zone. Why are they confused from Swiss to UN? And what is a buffer zone? Mommy and Papa them. Buffer zone, not be some place where they come for a helicopter for UN plane, they fly and whap, go put up some place for Cameroon. Buffer zone a place where they declare and they create them. Say the place where people not fight. We the separatists, we create schools, hospitals and churches as our own buffer zone. Say okay, for the place school the day, any place school day where picking wear uniform, make you not kill the picking. You know why for war? They talk say when man check your hand for up, you not shoot the person. Because you shoot man where you don't surrender. If man surrender, drop your gun, put your hand for up, you shoot him for war and a war crime. Even a soldier, even a fighter. But Cameroonians respect that. So you know they can tell me say me they go create now when you and we can create buffer zone when. So I want to talk for my heart and my conscience. I'll talk for the millions of pardon where they fear for talk because when I'll come after them. And I want to assure those pardon and say, so long as me Eric Tato I be concerned, school will resume if you decide you as Papa. You say your safety for Munya be okay for your picking for go to school. You say you're picking for that school. They were here gunshot, keep your picking for house. No separatists, not be any strategy was separate for kind of beat the chest, brag for social media, say, no, there will be no school. Yeah, we must not have schools. What be you for Shidon for America, for Belgium, China, Norway? Talk say me picking no go school again after 4 years. When you see and say they picking they won't really go school. We say your own feedback, how you read feedback. You don't ask yourself, say, wait, my turn on one thing. Why we rebel against Cameroon government? Put a question mark, ask that question. Now, because Cameroon government denied for listening for the feedback of the consortium at the time, now why the war? Now why they were there for the position? If Cameroon government for solve consortium a problem, they don't be arrest Baladem. Ayabacho, you know for the make the noise with the maker. Sako, you know for even get the opportunity for can thief 1.4 million way. Today don't be a millionaire in dollars from people that sweat. Sako the make noise so yes until they go do this, until the Swiss do this. If all picking they go school now with money will contribute and wait for my cheap to boy. If picking they stay for house when because of that picking the way they suffer for that not go school. The house they pay has rent now because of this trouble where they pay Sako. Sako not ever live for any decent apartment. You get the point? So you know can you make noise? Because I want the same thing remain forever. So that money continue for the thief. Now only now work that. Because now only relevant. Because after the revolution, someone not even go for them for go be anything for them. So now, if I pay the 5 for bush, I don't affect all my day for Ground Zero. Even from me, Eric Tato. If you hear now, yes, you see my name for some list, I want to be some politicians on place. Cut my neck. Now, me I talk. No man for diaspora, now you go pass the make noise so don't go and suffer. Because they do all the things. Keep na for us, Mona become dull. They educate their own people. So tomorrow they can be a Yabacho can't say he be Minister of Defense or he be President. The same thing. Sako can't talk say be this. They will be a universal pastor for all churches for Amazonia. Because the only thing I be 2S church for the full people. So me, all we will be strategic in our decision. You know we can make no someone can talk say, oh, Eric Tato don't take money for betrayal struggle. So Mawe thief 1.4 million. Mawe thief 1.4 million. The man not be the person way betray struggle. Now Eric Tato way, if he talk say me, listen to say part of the talk. If part the one me picking they go school. Now today, Mawe thief 1.4 million. They have a tax document. Or I'm waiting $50,000 go to Nigeria. Not be hit the betray struggle. They will not come to them and say, oh, this and so on and so forth. Me be very clear now, me Eric Tato I talk. When I start a policy, so people can say, oh, your own show now about Sako. I don't talk about Sako. We don't talk about Kwanga, about Bohebe. We don't talk about Ayabacho. Why Ayabacho also for any complaint? Why Ayabacho also for any complaint? Because when you say Sako thief money, that's what you people don't want to listen to. When I say Sako go free with the money thief. When I say Sako go free, I ask you now, why on a fish now with the overhot now? We now want to be Sako is okay. Sako if they go school now, they pay the school fees. Sako work for us. If he afford school fees or picking them. Now money for draft. The small they get America can pay school fees. Or they match to wherever you thief and keep them. He's a thief. You not deny that fact. Who give the authority who can talk about school resumption? We don't know what tell we say 1.4 million. You there America, you know we promote or defend person where they go sue person where thief money for revolution. You can't every day carry the crisis, the man they want to send a confusion. How man wants a confusion where he defend people the way they stand against corruption? When they want to talk say, nah, but Sako is as an armed robber. He not going to make no opinion when it comes to this revolution. He want to talk say waiting. Who's I keep 1.4 million? I ask you now, who's I keep the 1.4 million? We won't even give opinion about school. Tomorrow they say na Swiss Motomi school go on. Today they say na UN. But look, is that a leader where they talk 2 billion one thing there for 24 minutes? One I hear about say they want to talk about my chief on a hard court because that is where you people have failed. That's where everybody knows Sako is a thief. Chris Anu take 158,000. He pay rating, pay phone bills. So you want us now a cheap money? If Sako be take, you know what? 1.4 million US dollars. You want to convert them? $1 million US dollars. Now much? 1 million na 600 million CFA. So Sako one chop 900 million CFA, almost 1 billion for CFA money. Money over take and go buy gun them, change his fight. Then today one can talk say you therefore Sako any go school. They go school waiting. Money where would the contributor? Sako the work for side. If pay house rent, now they pay the house rent. And me and you contribute money, pay house rent. He take money, tip them. Every citizenship, Sako use now my trip to pay citizenship. You catch a poor, broke ass man, a criminal, armed robber, they want to say, oh, now because Eric Tato do this and so on and so forth. Someone put them very clearly. You get them very clearly. 1 minute, I'll block one man will tell me, say, you and Sako, you know the qualifying of Sako. Sako is an armed robber. What practice love. This is your last day on this show. Thank you. I block you. So we all understand. Begin the guy for go school. I bring an audio where Sako the talk say make CDC go on. He spokesman they call that fool for a corner then outside the 90s. So you know we can talk say oh Eric don't talk say if Pekin not go school and so on and so forth. You get the point? So you can't talk Pekin they limbe they go school outside they go school. You want to mean that Pekin for Akaniku or for Kwanu or for Grufen Kugwe. And the man from me not go school because some few armed robbers don't go hide for the way. Maybe most of the government forces they terrorize speaking them. Most of them, now La Republic du Cameroon, they don't convert themselves they terrorize Parents, they take that oil, take that plums and rubber, everything. They will not talk say me, Eric, that will not talk say me waiting. What are you trying to say? So at the end of the day, you ask yourself the big question, say, now what do you really want them? You got to think about the picking the first. Go get feedback from the parents. So more can tell you, say, listen to this.
Schools resumption. We do want to understand. Say some new discipline social media. They talk how we Ambassador Station Forces we don't put a semi school in resume. I don't want to tell when I say now fake news. Now fake news. The interim government, led by His Excellency Dr. Sam Sako Ekome, in collaboration with all Ambassador Registration Forces for Ground Zero. We don't see them say school no go fit resume. We don't.
Okay, this Monday against school resumption, but if any CDC go work, listen to what you talk about CDC. Ma play amona here.
Lockdown. We never impose no lockdown. Make all citizens they carry out their daily activities.
No, yeah, no. So me, I can't talk say more shut down CDC. Sako tell his spokesman where they came to them for Fako Meme and when I was at the center for CDC. No, yeah, no, me I talk I'm not Gabonese. He said me they shut down school, but me CDC carry on the daily activities. Don't tell me say before they fight for the revolution. When you hear the kind of what you think. When you hear the kind of what you think. Say me school shut down, then me CDC continue. So now the strategy that you prefer me when you give government power may go on. Now you talk and friend of me, have you replay Amuna here? Amuna here very attentively. Muna listen very carefully. Mommy and Papa, I will replay them.
For take our land, our natural resources. France is there for their back.
Now, yeah.
Toronto say we, when we are picking them, we will decide enter for bush, for take arms, for defend una, and for give una advice, how to defend una self. Una hear from we. Make una respect our Monday's lockdown. Monday's lockdown, it must be respected. Because with the advice una, if someone come outside for Monday, he go get injury, or he carry bullet wound, make it not blame we, Ambassador Registration Forces. I also hear a message where it circulate all over the place. Say, we don't impose lockdown. We never impose no lockdown. Make all citizens, they carry out their daily activities. We not respect only Monday's lockdown. Our 1st October, Independent Day, they come.
When I hear some people, they talk, say, wait till I be talk. I talk so wait, some people say I hate citizens. Maybe you hear citizens, I hear CDC. Whatever you heard. But you know why I make that statement? Because I talk say we don't impose lockdown for CDC. We don't impose lockdown for CDC. That is what I said. So don't impose lockdown for CDC. But they say, oh, we don't hear say lockdown day. Me all man carry daily activities normally. Now only school. Any fight away there for Fako or Meme. You know, can't enforce the lockdown for CDC. Or you go talk to me all man go about the activities normally. Listen very attentively. You prefer me school shut down, but when I be talking lockdown day for CDC, go listen my videos them. I said for Monday, lockdown the whole CDC. But you can't say no lockdown. Me all man carry normal activities. Me all man carry normal activities. Yeah, if you assume say maybe yeah, I think it means citizens. I think so because based on what you put the right time, I try to listen and act carefully. Based on what you on the right time, but I hear formally I hear CDC. I know the person way when I listen to people they talk, I make sure I get a reflection. I know they out of for conspiracy, but again, this particular message be targeted towards CDC. For talk to me, all man. As every time we talk say lockdown there for the whole CDC, me no man no respect them. Me any other thing go on normally except school. Except school. Except school. Mama me and my papa them, fellow Ambazonian fellow Southern Cameroonians. All man they argue now about curriculum, say, oh, they will study waiting for school, they will do waiting for this, they will do waiting for that. If he quote me anywhere, if he fight this thing anywhere, but I want assure and say, when for inside revolution, the laws they must be in accordance with the aspiration of the people. Why if we say government they make policy? Why if we say government they make strategies? Policies that be based now on the people, the aspiration, but satisfy the people. A government does not make a policy because of the people who are in government. Now, why the way most African countries all fail? All lawmakers, now why I get senators, congressmen and women, all people that make this thing now because they didn't listen to the people, to their residents, people for their states. You didn't listen, you take their people that propose and go down for Senate. You go over there, they debate them, they adopt them. 99% of the time, all laws of America, they reflect their aspiration. Take, for example, stimulus check. All man, they cry stimulus check. Nancy Pelosi, they push them. Some more argument. At the end of the day, they go meet somewhere in the middle for give the poor them a stimulus check. Maybe not being a 1,200 per person as Democrats, they propose them. If it can be 1,000 or 600 based on Republican their own proposal, people will reach your middle. Una own for Ambazonia, no one listen to una people. All man one shot and say, na it be God, na it be this, na it be that. All man the fight go here, go on and so forth. This is the time to change the strategy. We get for change strategy. No, she don't yet talk say, you did leave CDC me operate, but why me people not go school? Between CDC and school, now which one they affect government more? Without CDC, government is finished. But without school, now our picking they don't finish. Why you not leave school me go? You go blow off a regional delegation for tourism. Until they want to talk self Sako, how call the up in mob say the talk say me school no go. You know which power for stop school? If you don't even get power for implement, go stand for Boya again. You don't get power for implement, go stand for Boya, use Sako and the rest. I have appeared even talk and understand because he try one time but that to the hot. Man turn on one thing. And now this school thing will make I will know who a policy it be popular for the revolution. Me, Eric Tato, when I will see school go on for play with security day. Play with security, not the school no go. That is my take. So not come on here, Eric Tato don't talk say he don't go this. Look at shut down CDC, shut down PAMOL, shut down Sonora if government no can negotiate with you. How school way don't shut down affect government? Oh, I cry and say, oh, the international community will see that there is no mercy. So according to for an eye, when I fish international community look at school for fishing no mercy no day. Can we go and bomb they be explode for Yaoundé. American embassy be right say safety no day Yaoundé. Now schools they be shut down. Make more bombs for Bamenda see if put no the talk. If you put bomb for Bamenda, parents not even send their people for school. So now she's done for Norway or for America. And so on the worst one is this peak in America where don't thief money chop. Your guys don't talk say me school no go. Who be you for tell me school no go? You need to talk to school no go for your mom. You shut down at the towns. No go touch school, but shut down the town. If you shut down Bamenda, picking no get motor for go school. So you as a separatist, where you don't get people for the level for 4 years or 2020, the whole way idea on the crisis, not to talk about school. Because it makes you look weak, if you don't know. It makes you look weak. No man, no powerful man. Look every American. When America go do things or any country go do things, they need to talk about school picking them. The school is shut down naturally. It's not your position to come and be talking about schools. Because you're a weak negotiator. Now today now Bohebed and Sako then they play public relations for Swiss for the HD. And Sako don't big spokespeople on behalf of Switzerland. Who does that? Who does that? You get the point? So you only make noise. But I mean that the function, boy, the function. Everywhere is going on. People shall fight again for the BLM. Coupe Manimbuba, they wait till it happen. Instead of we focus on how we will rebuild the military for shut down government services, when I want to shut down on our own people. When they want to say Eric Tato, you between me and you, if you go shut down, put one on one, put your senses or down, where you not get emotion, think and say, you are talking, you can't talk to me school not go on for this time. And then you are talking to me school on the fee. Evaluate yourself, if not, you don't take money. It don't normal. So you get if shut down CDC, see if government not come back you. Go bombs on the rat, see if government not come back you. Why you won't go touch school? Get to the institutions. Go look all revolutions. Go meet J.J. Rollins tissue. Go to Pierre Lumumba. Ask Mugabe. Ask Fidel Castro. Ask the poor for Papua New Guinea, for Bob Gosby. They will tell you, say, everywhere one short school as a separate, you should be talking. No, she don't can't talk to me school now go on. What is your business with schools after 4 years? So man can't talk to me, all other things go on normally apart from school. So for you now school, me you prefer me taxation man go do a tax thing, then me school go on. Go shut down market, shut down CDC, shut down government institutions, go shut down Joe's office. Nobody pray on top picking them. Between you and the Republic, if you want to pray picking, now be the predator now. Now be the oppressor. Picking they say they want to go school, he said no, they don't go school, they claim they want to liberate them. How you want to liberate me? You tell say you want to give me freedom. I tell you, okay, you want to give me freedom. I don't make I want to give me freedom. I tell you I want to stay for New York. You say no, I must stay for Maryland. So where is the freedom? Where is the freedom you want to give me? When I want to suppose I talk say every time, very, 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 very honestly. The truth I say right. This is a debate for the next 2 days. But trust me, say in 1 week, it could be a policy statement for any person a normal separatist. Any person a normal separatist, you will understand what I talk. Mayor, the devil, you don't do it to councils. Shut down the councils. Shut down council workers. No can tell me, say, I go shut down picking them. You get 2 million one thing for make insecurity, but you won't go target in school. That is showing that you are weak. If they say you want to show you be the best hunter for wild animal, then you go to catch a guinea pig waiting for mommy kitchen, waiting for backside for back kitchen, or you go catch a rabbit where already inside fence. The best hunters they go push, go bring monkey. Best hunter they can shoot their own dog for house. Put that for your head and tell me if it's at the top. You say go back go reason. No can tell me say oh independent. So what? So okay, the right to life it be supreme to education. And now who get to decide person in a right to life? Now the person will get a life or now you will get a life or you will get for America. You can't tell me. You be hunter. You want big beef. You want wild animal. Wild animal. They win a taxation office na CDC. You want to catch. You can kill a guinea pig. Then you can't tell me say Eric that to not go take bribe. If you say I want to take bribe, I will fear you. Who I want fear for go take bribe? You need to run my life. You don't own this platform. You don't own me. You don't own my ideology. And I need support. Or show Ayabona whosoever. I stand for the reason why they endorse and support Sissikuna because you know I do not know. I see how they sacco them. They be trying to bring conspiracy against the poor man to jail. I told you not to work. I was a psycho psycho fan. I put it that way before. But I said no, it's not going to work. You say I mean like Sako past Sisiku. But now Sako a bad attitude push me towards Sisiku. And that is why I'm objective. Yes, Sako he take 1.4 million, he not succeed for bribing me. Now Kabongo, he not even get away for calling me to bribe me. So when I can't make noise, anybody can don't talk, you make noise every day when I make noise. When you make noise, for waiting. You don't go shut down CDC. Shut down Sonera. You're not picking them. Why animal devil bush you say the hunter, I want to kill a guinea pig. Wait till that picking they do now. After 4 years, they talk to they won't go school. You guys don't know where you say this. Are you going to live? Until somebody can talk, say they need one war on opinions. Then you say, no, not the talk. You don't know the talk. You can't make that noise. I've been down my chest. I'll not ever be wrong. I've been 1 billion% right for advocate for this particular strategy and policy at this time. Enough is enough. If you have get power, go bombs on around. Declare you. I have a job of being a smart man. If you come out talk say schools na buffer zone, if you get the highest respect for the revolution, but don't screw up. You want to explain what it. You know what explain what it. Say to like probably the pray when I don't account for pray. How school going back don't end strong. If you get RP, you go shoot from around. If you get RPG for Stanford, when governor of Okara behind the pass go for Butengene, bam, you pray for them. Non-governor will not come again for them. But how I want to pick it because a soft target. Picking the way, even if Sako be take even a 400,000 for that money, buy RPG them. Chris Arnold know to take phone B for 100 and something thousand. When I leave lion, tiger, pussy, bush pussy, and monkey that they dump for tree. Why animal? When I don't take that guinea pig for compound. They say you are a hunter, you are a liberator. You gotta put that guinea pig or you walk in guinea pig for chop. You know why man they bury the dog, tie the dog die? Because he take the dog, say dog na part of it. Take that picking like a puppy. Take that picking like a chihuahua where you treat and well. Take that picking like a computer where you take care like a phone. And so you go take that picking them. Then take Cameroon government like virus where you go for antivirus or delete them. So you catch it over and tell me say every tato don't do this. When you get 10 things in, right? If you get 10 things in, if one will cause you problem, leave the one, go after 9. Go bomb delegation for taxation. Me some 5 taxation officers that day. Taxation will not function again for they don't win government for that part. You go bomb school now they die. When I make all the noise, now on own anglophone picking the way they for village and they go school. All French school them for Limbe, Mutenge, they go on 24/7. They get full capacity. Right that GC go their university. When I come back, I talk say every time I don't talk say now because say the difference between me and her because say I get the strength for reason beyond emotion. That's the difference. And if you I talk, if you say I talk say every time I don't take bribe. If you say that I don't talk. Naturally I don't take bribe. Naturally I start talk. If I don't take bribe, when a revolution for don't end. When I get down from the head. So any Tom, Dick and Harry will just not for WhatsApp group. If the guy make noise, say Eric Tato this and that. You people can make opinion about picking the way they for down way that parents. I talk for her as an activist, as a liberator, and as a parent. They got to go to school. We go now to other targets. Schools from today from tomorrow, 1st October 2020, schools, hospitals, and churches are buffer zones. Now me Eric Tato on top. And any man who they go disturb the place, you know, very they'll queue for what? Enough is enough. Go somewhere you'll succeed. Go for Ministry of Tourism. Go different place you'll succeed. Look at them and say, what you know about I don't read it in. All the people they mention because they read, they don't come flat down on big languages. Go read all revolutions. They read at the beginning crisis, if they begin ministry. If school nothing go on, means nothing go on, means they play be insecure. But when they're insecurity, let them go to school. You get the point? Be a liberator, don't be an oppressor. You can't tell me say an opinion. What are opinions? Our opinions not strategies. Whoever be strategy will not listen to opinion. How they be Linux? How they be a Scrum? How the person on Facebook be Facebook? How they be WhatsApp? How they be WeChat? TikTok? They gather opinion from other softwares. Then they be what they belong. So you can't tell me today say I don't take bribe because I told me school resume. Now you don't take bribe for corrupt our image for international community. Not turn them around. You get the point? I mean none of they don't contribute financially or every stock that if Joe Lucas don't talk say go Gary this go do the fear. But I don't talk the things the way don't keep them, they still talk till today. I talk them till today, I still talk. Which of the one guy just say me they go Gary Paul, they fear for talk. Because they want to preserve themselves. When I talk say Gary, all place shut down. All man they have to say revolution will go ahead. Instead of that 3-4 months, they can't still use the very thing against me. They don't can when they use that, they'll say, oh, no, tell me go cut Paul the hand. Tomorrow they say, he still talk against me, they go Gary. Listen, my turn on one thing. Me, I will assure school resumption. I will go down, I will pray. God will give me more wisdom, and then I will calibrate this struggle more win. And I know how we win. Get the point. Why you feel say that I don't talk about school now when I will bring debate. School, they don't talk school now. But make one tweet. That's the strength that God has given me. My opinion, it remains 100% times 10 the buoyancy of this revolution. Because I fight with my heart. And God, they shine anything I talk. God, they make me. Listen, as I speak now, 98% of genuine Ambazonians, the feel say I be absolutely right. Do a survey. You don't write up for SMS school not resume. Why? You don't tell me none of them don't get no power because they talk about all the nonsense they talk here. Think the day for they get for doing. Thing they get for day, we get for do for make okay, look bomb for your own that's I don't talk. Wait till happen. A bomb will happen for your own day. Only one bomb. US embassy right say me is sitting in no camp. French embassy right. Chinese embassy right. All diplomatic mission for your own day right say, hey, security alert. If you want insecurity, shut down areas. When 10 bombs happen for Bamenda for 4 months, government will not say trouble there. Government will not say trouble there. I don't have no next topic. My topic today is exclusively on schools. If we want to win the war, stop armed robbers about diaspora about thief money. If we get more money, we get more guns, we will win the war. I will win war, will not touch school. Yes. We know, me and you will know. So if you take RPG, you stand for Commercial Avenue, you wipe Governor Emoto, you will go call for dialogue. You wipe Dio, wipe SDO, we fit do it. Matona. Go for CDC, put down CDC, stand some play for Limbe, wipe Sonera. Government will not say talk there. Go for GHS Limbe. Go kill 2 billion picking them. Yeah, when they go laugh, say don't kill them, don't kill them. If you want to solve a problem, you need to come, listen, you know, sir, some of you, they really show so dull. If you fight some person, you need to look sideways, the person wear shin guard. You need to knock that place. Because if I wear shin guard or I wear some protective thing for my chest, you blow my chest, I show my chest. So. You glad now. You feel you need to do nothing. You got to find a sideway and not get protection. Where it means a lot to me. You get the point? When you knock the side, so king, I'll make that time you don't knock me. So school for Cameroon government, they like person you don't wear shinga for food. You knock at the place. It hot people waiting. It is hot that the shinga and the thing for your chest. But if you knock Cameroon government for your ear when I CDC, it head go the hot. You knock it for your nose when I pamol, it go cry. You knock it for your mouth when I sonera, it go cry. You knock it for a rib for corner of belay when a ministry of delegation, it go cry. You go knock school, wait to contact Cameroon government school. No, look at motor. Why you feel say put for boya, then you can climb push old school should come out because school you go there. Now Bama see put they suffer. Now put for Yukaba they suffer. Those interior villages. I beg you I don't really listen. When I be preach 14-star strategy, I be already see the issue say leave villages. I'm talking not be today, not because I can't talk about school. Say me villages be the buffer zones. All those areas leave them in peace. Come for town. When we strike delegation for public contract, so all that building go out. The 5 francophones they die there. No delegation of public contract not exist again for Bamenda. We go for Boya, we hit treasury. We get the capacity, we'll be getting. We'll still get and we'll still get them. Not be little, I can't stand with Facebook, I can't make fake money so I don't raise. Where you don't listen, where you don't raise $2 million for draft, in case you can't write and notice school should not resume. You're the act, me government, no say get for negotiate. Now you don't raise $2 million for war. You need write note. You buy a gun. You get the point? You buy a gun. How do I raise $2 million I can't write every day when I beg in Switzerland? No! You got to tell Cameroon government say you will negotiate, just wait. Not every day you go to force some person say, come and go to Switzerland. Now you are gone, then will take Cameroon government and say, why you don't shoot gun? Cameroon will say, okay, what do we do? You hear say Herman Cohen we talk now. Say Ethiopia, president of Ethiopia, we ask and say, how do we do for solve the problem? Now when you as a separatist, as a rebel, you don't put pressure for government. You need to put pressure on your own people. We will do our people. My turn one thing will not be to put pressure for our people. We will do that and our people they get solidarity. Now they don't get the solidarity for that issue for school, but they get solidarity for ghost town. Look what their people want, give them, and take away what they don't want. That's the point. So we all the talk say, no money hold you, me no go stop school, but me no say school get for go on. You get to talk strategically, talk with intelligence. So we almost know. No can tell me say, oh, the children will be killed. No problem. Me that papa they decide. You and them Maryland, you don't even know security stakes for Boyo. Pass power the state for Boyo. How you want to tell me about security for a Yukaba my 17? Or for a cock, pass person for a cock? How you want to tell me how most effective go stand there for boya, pass every day for boya? You know we talk. If me I drink the water, then because you see the bottle, if you tell me how the water it tastes, you don't know why I don't mix salt or sugar. So now you see now La Republic people they talk say, oh, then that school should resume. Let's stop the revolution and join La Republic. Now La Republic man they can't get that kind of idea. I don't ask you say if you shoot down CDC, forget about school, go for other targets. See if government no can negotiate with you. So we almost move towards the direction of prosperity in the revolution. I talk a bit unequivocal. I don't talk with people, international partners. School don't overstay usefulness. School boycott. You get the point? And Sawe man is strong. Now when he abandon policy, when he work again. But on our own, I like I don't know some of una day, you know, when I do this thing, for navigators, when I gamble, when I don't know, because gamble and a man with the only talk say, he did a person push cocaine. He always talk say, I will go last trip, until the day they cash in a last trip. Use your brain. You get the point? Use that brain. The winner for something, a person in no time for quit the team. Not the person live and stay the defeat today. When you know time for change something, now you make you tough. So you know can do it. 1st October day tomorrow. Who the talk say me people they give small contribution for support the movement or for buy boots. How many people they contribute? Now my friends, they put the one know them personally at the call their phone before they do contribution. Put the watch the show, they only can watch and make no noise. None of them need contribute. If you talk to them who raise 500 or 1,000 for a year for this show, how many people don't contribute? That's it. When you answer the entire contribution, you see they'll drop from 1,000 to 500. They already wrong because they don't want to wear anything to contribution. That's the point. So I want to know that we know one thing. You see, people can say they did the 180 online. Like the Sakopo, they say they don't raise 68 times for humanitarian draft. But how they did them, even 150 where they do county draft, they raise 2 million. When I never using our brain. Now manipulating now them. Why people they don't already know say they don't already be independent from the Republic of Cameroon. Now we will get for the take our stance. You get the point? Look at how our revolution don't be. It don't be for one way. People they go pay people. Sako go pay man for Germany. 2007. Mika talk say Eric Tato the sick. For which reason? Why? But so far now the first active, the only active don't bring a medical result and a paycheck they're online. Man will get 5 C grades for O levels. He can't just say get an AA then. Bring the result you need bring them. Bring paycheck you need bring them. Bring medical certificate you need bring them. You see can do show 2 or 3 people they see share. Now normal more than that. I don't talk and I'll talk and clearly. Me, Eric Tato. I just shut down CDC. Single-handedly, I don't need no my support. I will shut them down. I will make sure semi schools they go where they be secure. Any day when I hear gunshot for school, I know La Republic will do that work. Any day when you hear a gunshot in La Republic, we will not go attack no schools no more because we want school gone. So tomorrow we'll get protests of Russian embassy start for 10 o'clock. They already for my war. I will still post them today for my Facebook profile. If you want to check the date, everything, you go for 917-480 917-480-1068. You'll see them for my WhatsApp profile. Or we'll go for 202-905-8701. You'll see them there. Yes. They talk say protest on the watch on 1,000 plus. If they say me all man giving $5, $20, no money, can anyone contribute? But I want me the protest successful. I did take my phone. I did call my friends. I call Baba Fan, Patu Yaya, call some of my and say, Mamu, I never come protest. That's what we do now. That's solidarity. But when you watch here, you did only for this year, you did for Lanham, you did for here, you watch this show, you did for Maryland, you did for Delaware, you did for Virginia, you did just for here, for New York, for Connecticut, you did just for here, play 5th live for 2 hours. You come this, you can't protest. You need to come, you get your work to go. Or you be cyber security expert. You be this. Or you get your program, you want to attend so your girlfriend birthday. Or so your sister birthday. Or you want to go do some lunch with your new boyfriend or so on and so forth. You know can't protest, but you want to meet picking go she don't have for 4 years. Clap for yourself. Don't fire any person for diaspora away if you can't talk nonsense about picking their education. When any men protest, look Sako call protest on New York and 9 people, they go there. They can't talk to you. Now, what to give if not be a thief man? What to give the guts for can't talk about school resumption? What to give the guts? You carry person where he sleep man picking, his whole face na sperms. Me can talk for petrol. He get his opinion. If he help the revolution, apart from that defend man, we don't chop 1.4 million. So what I got to say every year in Sako. I sing Cho Ayaba for 3 years. Before I leave Sako, start singing Sako. Sako in only 12 months, when I 10 months, when I cry and waiting. When I visit man go thief 1.4 million, go free. You not go free. So at the end of the day, one time all my don't watch this show, and I talk, if you watch me, yesterday we talk some few people, they want to do small contributions. We got to buy boots, we got to buy different things about 5,000. They talk say, do contribution, you look so. Then you come there, you can't make noise. Say, no, pure will not go to school. You are neither marching, you are neither contributing. You say, picking not go. What will be your own contribution to the revolution? What will be your own contribution? So while they call it Nancy, and National Republic, they get that name, say the struggle has failed. When are you to feel the struggle? Because they tell you, Miss Krugo, or because if you say some antique money struggle, ever fail. You don't read other struggles. You know the difficulty of American Revolution, we get that. You know the difficulty South African apartheid fight against apartheid, we get that. You know which way they put the burgers they go through, which way Ghana go through. So not come out here just to talk say this one, no. Just 1 minute. So all we must know that one. So if you didn't listen, you want to support the match tomorrow. You want me to buy 1 boot for some fighter. I don't already give the cash app and the WhatsApp. Make all man know. Tomorrow, my brother Baba Fandi bring t-shirts them. So you come, all my one can bring flag, bring t-shirt, we'll buy more, we'll print some other thing them. We'll bring the sister MD bring speaker from Delaware, we'll bring another speaker. So we get everything together. So we need between 50 to 100 people tomorrow. When we get down, we'll be very happy. So you want to support the march, or you want me to buy 1 boot? Look like our brother come out for 4 or 5 hours away, and one couple will come up. You want to come here bring boots. 6 pairs, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 6. You feel all the kind of boot they sold. Maybe the boot will be maybe $50, 100 or 200, I don't know, but we'll always find out the price. You see? So when I look at you now, if you say na romance, no. Someone would build it in, would calculate now 1 year, 2 years ahead. Because while waiting, they would already be for the war. People the way they think bigger way than for attack the Cameroon government. For get them out of our territory. Most of the people they make noise online saying that they don't touch up money. 2 years and all they exist again. Because for example, draft will fail. December will pass, January, February, March. All now that they support draft, we don't see no action. They will flop now. So we don't give Sako enough chance. I like when they always try. Yes. We not go see them. I like when they always try. So school resumption, it be imperative for cyber security there. And people they don't thief money, they're not going to come out there for kind of talk say, oh, you know what's going on? We're supposed to do this, we're not supposed to do this. You don't have no opinion when you steal money in the revolution. We get for strategize. Cameroon government will be taken out. I know what I'm saying. All the noise makers, they make noise here, so they know they exist in the next few months. So all we're going to do now, suppose the right and say, if you're strong, take out the Republic administrators. You want to leave picking them, you leave picking them. You want to leave GO, SGO, council workers and go take out and picking them. So where are you driving to? So we want to thank all my watch this show. I talk say, if you watch me for YouTube or anywhere, you want help for contribute for buy other 1 boot or for contribute for the rally, you go, it's simple. 202-905-8701. Cash App Zelle. For paper and telegraph@gmail.com. Anybody. Not only can you watch, you need clap. You say, oh, people don't go to school. You need protest, you need contribute. Even $10 you need, yeah. You look and say, you wait and say, oh, now so I don't announce protest, they wait and say, oh, people not come. So that means they use and laugh every that. I go film my live. Even in one person, and I mean one, I'll do for Foreign Russian Embassy, you go see me live. I need compromise issue concern the development of this trouble. Not be popularity contest, but I get 1,000,000% faith. Say we'll reach our target. So when no one can see people that here on the contradict when I say go up, come down. Where you ask for the same, they do contribution. Normally we watch shows on a day on a 1,000. If we say we'll give cash app number, we'll forget 10 for the go put $100. When I know like before. But now put the be skeptical because of the way people don't embezzle money. So I will end the show. I'll say if you feel contribute buy one boot, we'll buy the boot camp. We'll buy one boot, I bring 6 boots, $100, and that you bring 6 boots, then you extra $100. Now that for that cartoon. So they thank all man for understand the way the things that they go. So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonian Ambazonians, I want to thank all my don't watch this show today, and we'll continue with the previous issue. For talk say, parents then when they feel secure for area, they may send up in the school. So man don't send something. I don't just hear my cash. I don't make noise. I need if you see that phone because for this. So if you send me the screenshot from my other phone, I will see them. I'll read them tomorrow. So the cash app number is simple: 202-905-8701. Now cash app that on a Zelle. 202-905-8701. Zelle, cash app Yogo. If you did Europe, Dubai, anywhere you want to transfer, ntelegraph@gmail.com. No, small n, TELEGRAPH@gmail.com. So all the talk so people they get for the assist, support. Say, I mean, when I think they find now. Earn money only when I say that. I will talk on Facebook. I will go talk to one, go do this, organize protests, carry boot. The whole my house na boot them. The whole my house na boot them. I was struggling now to go see if I rent storage for start put and day. That's the point. So at the end of the day, what you think? You only think I can give opinion about how school now resume or can make audio for cost person $1 I need contribute. Your face, you don't hide your face, you go Cameroon, do anything, come back. So all we have to be very strong and stay fast. So anybody wants to support the protest, so tomorrow we'll go there for Russian embassy. The flyer don't there for my wall. After this, if you go to my wall, you'll see the flyer. Please, if you go on my wall, you'll see some picture there on top where I don't really pin them. But always scroll down. A recent picture, they always there down. So I will read the place where the protest go there. I'll read them very carefully. So now the flyer this, if you see them, if you see the flyer on Facebook, it'll be authentic, but you have to look at the date now, 1st October. So don't put and say a cry for help to Russia's Putin. 1st October demonstration when Thursday, October 1, 2020, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Amber Time. It will be for 2650 Wisconsin Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C. 2007. That's 2007. Is it 2? No. It's 20,007. That's the zip code. That's 2007, United States of America. So if you just put Russian Embassy, Washington, D.C., will take you come there. And we'll stream on live on National Telegraph. So Russia helps Southern Cameroons. And the reason why we come to Russia is this strategy because we don't yet see La République du Cameroon fight me and Russia and negotiate this conflict. That's what they hear. And the information that we filter around high cycle, so we for the move. For see how we will to feed the make and make stability, they may start me Russia and to try to apply it. So tomorrow 10 a.m. one all man, mommy, papa, sister, all man, and especially people the way they watch this movie where this show where they want seek asylum. Now opportunity for you to come, they can't take enough pictures. For example, your case. Now you're right. Because maybe your case will come up in 1 or 2 years where we not get to another protest like the one. So all man will watch me for Washington DC, just come out there for Russian embassy. We'll start for 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. All will get for the day. You want to come bring your t-shirt. If you not get t-shirt, just bring flag. If you not get anything, just come with assorted clothes. Not talk say because you not get t-shirt, no, if you come. If you come for the day, you see t-shirt. So all we will need for the day. We need for the day like I tell now because it's strategic. before I want to as a reason for Russian embassy. I want to thank Dr. Makongo with give you some of these ideas, or Professor Makongo. So me all man come there and they beg. I don't see put the number over there. You want to buy a boot, you send small thing. That's what we have to do. 202-905-8701. 202-905-8701 for Zelle and Cash App. For PayPal, now ntelegraph@gmail.com. So not only watch and then you should don't quiet. Make sure say you support the way you support. It be very important. It be very strategic. And I give a show and I say if you look at it, we get a lot of boots them here already. And they always talk. I'll show the one the way they were going to bring out. Not sure another day. And here I say everything move according to plan. So you see, wait you have to talk. Now I put in this 6 pairs this way you are going to bring up. That's why this so I get. You see, so I new one they buy all the way to go help at least picking up for well and for work for bush. One time any person where they watch this show at this time, all my watch from UAE, from any part of the world, say me God bless you. So me all we will be tomorrow for Russian embassy early morning. I will still do show from the very early for the Eric Tato page. Hopefully, I will there for see the way the place they, and then we'll wait for it to come. We'll start for 10 o'clock for protest. We will talk. It will be very brief. So no say between 10 and 12, the protest will potentially end, or maybe 1 maximum. So all man can. We will say 10 o'clock. Not talk say I'll come for 11. Not bring black man time. All man for the 10. So at the back all will watch me. All man make sure say the address now Russian embassy. I will put the photo out. They make all man share them for your own contact. Baba Pai, one guy bring 10 people. Sister Emmy, one guy bring 10 people. Need everybody. So the back say if you watch we, you don't get the Cash App and the Zelle when at 202-905-8701. Make sure so you come out there. You are only 2 ways if you support. Thank you so much. I will say may God bless you. Remain abundantly blessed and keep on praying. If you know how to share the show, go back go share the show. If you know how to like the show, go back go like the show. Me all for those away they get they be open for discussions and arguments and debates about the school issue and not they are for conspiracy. I will reach out for them. I don't reach out for a few people for the egg of C for explain for them my position. I will still reach out for more of the people them. Say may God bless you now. And keep the faith. Say this is our revolution to win. Bye bye and thank you so much. God bless you.